literally the watcher on the watchtower that's mentioned in the Bible. I feel like that you were that person right now because, my God, just looking, do you see the beam that just moved?
Yeah, and there's also a beam.
It's like tracking.
Well, that's what radar does. It shoots a beam out. Generally, the principle of radar is it shoots a beam out, it takes a reading, and it comes back. And that's all it does. But these little beamers right here, they are actually creating the wind. And I know that because I've watched the process over that past 5 years and how they would get the directions to change. And these are powerful beams. And these are not regular radar beams. For one, they shoot way over this island, right? I mean,
Golly, that's a long way. That's thousands of miles.
Yeah, radar reaches out like this is the radar right here. Regular radar goes about there. This radar is on steroids. And
yeah.
There's even one. Do you see this one shooting up here? Let me go down a little bit. There's one coming up here.
I just saw it.
And so what they're doing is they're taking the air and doing this with it. Can you see how that, if you look at each, because this one shoots here, those shoot there, and then down here, we even have one coming out right here.
Yep, I just saw it.
Yeah, so there's, it is a little windy, but to me, that's what they're doing, is creating a wind like this.
Yeah, you can see it. You can see that. I don't know what that light blue is above where it says Honolulu, but you can see whatever it is moving out like in a, like you see how it's just kind of rotating.
Yeah, see, these are actually clouds and rain. The green means
yes.
that there is rain in it. If you look at this down here, this tells you the temperature of things, or the moisture too. Like this is super dry, so you don't see any of those. And this is very, very moist through here, and then this is more humidity, if anything. But a lot of it's in this zone right here, and the green is wet. So, and then this is just regular air here, moist air that they're stimulating in that area. You have to look at your, what do you call these? Legend.
Yeah, like keys to a map.
Yeah, but they call that a legend on a map, I believe.
Yeah, legend, yeah.
Yeah, so these beams are shooting way far out. So this is still happening, and it's still happening over you too. I checked this morning, I looked at your space. Yours is still on as well. And that just shouldn't be. So I don't know. I don't want to report on it, though, because